Mario pulls up to the Toad-owned pump for his morning commute, only to find the cost of cart fuel has suddenly doubled. That price spike is not a random glitch. It is dictated by two competing forces: how much fuel is available and how much drivers want it. We map these forces on a grid. A downward sloping line is demand, representing buyers. An upward sloping line is supply, representing sellers. Where these lines cross is market equilibrium. Here, buyers and sellers perfectly agree on price and quantity. This baseline provides the framework for analyzing how specific events drive the prices we see at the pump every day. Imagine the entire kingdom receives a pay raise, giving everyone extra coins to spend at Luigi's pizza stand. Because people are wealthier, their buying habits change. They are now willing to buy more slices than before at every price level. This chart shows the mechanics. A demand boost moves the entire downward sloping line horizontally to the right.
Here, right means more. Tracking this new line, we establish a fresh equilibrium, sitting higher on the vertical price axis and further along the horizontal quantity axis. An injection of consumer wealth pushes up the cost per slice and the total volume of pizza sold, assuming the supply remains unchanged. Now, let's test a negative shock. Bowser blockades the central refinery, restricting the availability of cart fuel. Rely strictly on the horizontal axis. To show a supply decrease, shift the line horizontally left. Left means less. This creates a mechanical failure. At the original price, drivers want fuel, but sellers have nothing. This horizontal gap is a shortage. To resolve this, station owners raise the price. This continues until the market balances at a new, higher intersection point. A restricted supply causes two simultaneous changes. Buyers pay a higher premium, and the overall volume of trade shrinks. We can calculate the financial impact on the seller by multiplying price by quantity. This rectangle represents total revenue, and Bowser's blockade alters its dimensions. Let's apply this logic. Princess Peach discovers a new oil reserve. Consider which curve shifts, which direction does it go, and what happens to the price. This graph illustrates the answer. The new oil increases the fuel available, so the supply curve shifts horizontally to the right. The resulting intersection yields a lower price and a higher quantity. Comparing the dimensions of these revenue boxes helps a seller visualize the directional impact a shift will have on their total income. You can break down any complex market problem by using a three-step strategy. This four-panel grid illustrates the rules. Step 1. Identify if the event affects buyers or producers. Step 2. Shift the line horizontally. Increase is always to the right, decrease is always to the left. Step 3. Find your new target intersection. Trace dotted lines back to the axes to read your final price and quantity. In panel C, an increase in supply traces from the black dot to a result, $5.30 million. Shortages push prices up to clear the market, while surpluses pull them down. Tracking the left and right shifts accurately reveals how the underlying engine of the economy responds to change.